let's get started. Our first move, we're just going to bring it out and bring it in. We're just gonna warm it up right here. Just going out and in. Just a slight little bend in your elbow, a little lateral raise. And then we're gonna take it a little bit higher. So kind of punch it up to the sky. Just getting those arms, those shoulders warmed up. All right, now we're gonna take it out and in, just right here. All right, give me 3 more. All right, now. Of your weight, and we're just gonna do little arm circles right here. Got this, girls. Just keep going. I know it's burning. Don't let it down. Woo! 5 more seconds. Keep that core tight. Keep those arms long and lean. We're gonna go down and do a deadlift and then a press overhead. So you're gonna go down, pull up. We're gonna do an upright row, flip it over, and an overhead press. And keep that core super tight. All right, one more. Woo! Nice. Forward raise and a side raise. This is really working those shoulders, so make sure that core is tight. Really squeeze those muscles as you go through the movement. All right, one more. Over. So have your palms facing each other. You're gonna row back, and then you're just gonna tricep kick back right here. So keep that elbow in the same place, close to your body, and I want you to just squeeze on this movement right here. So squeeze and bring it back in. Woo! Shake it. Grab those lighter weights. We're just gonna burn it out right here. So we're gonna do some Arnold press. So I want it right, want your arms right in front of you, and then we're just gonna press overhead. That core tight. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna go overhead for some tricep extensions. So I want your elbows really close to your ears and just popping it up. If you need a heavier burn, I'm gonna do a higher weight for this one. All right, 10 more. Woo, really gonna feel it. All right, now, at the very end, woo! Oh gosh, I'm gonna drop down and we're gonna pulse it out. All right, right here, just pulse it out. Those triceps, those little bitty tricep muscles will really burn out. Ooh, give me 10 more. Oh my God, keep going, keep going. Ah! Keep those shoulders down and rolled back, and I don't want you scrunching up and hurting the neck. So I want it relaxed. I want the long lean neck. And we're just gonna go right here, out, and then push both. So we're gonna go 1, 2, and then I want both to go out and come back. So 1, 2, and then we're gonna add one more move after this. All right, you're gonna give me 5 right here. Woo. Keep going, girls, you got this. Drop down to the lighter weights, but don't stop. All right, now, go out and in. So you're gonna drop it all the way down, give those arms a rest, come up with the lateral raise, squeeze it in, punch it back out, let it back down. All right, so 10 right here. Keep that core in tight. Really squeeze those arms. You're really gonna be feeling it. You wanna do higher reps when you have lower weights, and you want lower reps when you have higher weights. Keep that core in tight. Give me 8 more. Woo! Give me 3 more. I want you to just push one arm overhead, alternating. And it's 20 right here. Really squeeze those arms, pull that core in tight. So you're gonna squeeze one and then let it back down. Keep that core in tight. Up, and I want one to come down at a time. So one and then back up. And keep that back, the small of your back, down into the mat. Check out some free smoothie recipes on my blog at ChristinaTremblay.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next workout.